How to reverse a video on phone using CapCut. If any day any of you are a CapCut user and you would like to reverse a video on your phone using CapCut, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch your very CapCut application on your mobile device and then tap on it. After you tap on CapCut like this, CapCut will be launched on your very mobile device. After that, you have to tap on the video which you would like to reverse. After you tap on the video like this, the video will be launched on your mobile device. Now, after that, what you can do is you can just tap on your video like this. After you tap on your video like this, now you can see an interface like this. You can go to the option of the speed here, or what you can do is you can choose the next option here. You can just go to the options of like this and you can search all of the options here. And here you can find the option of reverse. You have to tap on the option of reverse here. And after you wait for a while, your video will be reversed and you can see a reverse effect on your very video. So this is the way on how you can make a reverse effect or add a reverse effect on your very video in CapCut. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.